Hi guys. Got a dog incoming. So I just got my order from Sounds Gay clothing company and I am so excited to open it. I ordered 2 shirts and I can't wait. So, okay, here we go. We'll just jump right on into this. My cat was also really excited to open it. I don't know if you can see those little teeth marks. Cool. And so satisfying. Oh yeah. Okay, so first impressions. You can't see like anything except for the colors. Really, really nice and soft material. These are gonna be so comfy. So okay, so I got 2 shirts. First one. Sounds Gay, I'm in. Ah, I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh, I am so excited to wear this everywhere. Yes, and this is like a nice quality shirt, a nice length too. Oh my god, you can see some of the cat teeth marks on the shirt even. Okay, well, it's got character now. I mean, my cat was probably gonna leave a mark on it at some point. Yeah, okay, cool. I'm like super excited about this because I am a taller person. I'm 5'7", so like sometimes shirts fit just a little weird because I'm long and small. But this is like really, really long. I'm so excited about this. I don't know if you can, let's see. Oh yeah. Oh heck yeah. Heck yes, I'm so excited about this. Okay. And oh look, a little sticker. Okay, so I will admit, I saw an ad on Instagram calling for models wanted, so I messaged the company and I am now officially an ambassador, an influencer, whatever you want to call it. So I got this little sticker. You can't see it. Oh, it's so cute though. Welcome to the gayborhood. Oh my god. I am so. Doggies. There are 2 dogs and a cat in this house. I think they're barking at the cat right now. Oh. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so glad to be a gayber. Oh my god, yes! Oh, okay, so I'm not gonna lie, this was the shirt that I was so excited about. Goodness gracious, can you still hear the dogs? The one dog gets really upset because my cat won't play with her, so she gets like, I don't know, offended about that or something. Sorry. Okay, here it is. Pump the love. Oh yes. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to pump up the love everywhere I go. I'm gonna spread the love in this gayborhood. Can't wait. Oh, dang, yes. Okay, so I am in love with this. The quality is really nice, like the screen printing on it. And oh dang, I'm gonna like, honestly, I'm gonna live in these t-shirts. This is such a nice, soft material. Oh, I can't wait. I am so pumped. I'm so pumped. I love it. Awesome. Yeah, I got smalls and they're pretty spacious smalls. I'm not mad about this. Nice. Hey, so I'm trying the shirts on now. So here's the first one, Pump Up the Love. Sorry for the funky angle. You know, I'm trying to get the whole shirt in the shot. So yeah, I like said that it was kind of long, and it totally is, but like in the best way. So it fits like it covers the whole booty, which isn't saying much, but still. So yeah, like the possibilities are endless for like layering. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And I really could honestly live in this shirt. It is so soft and comfy. It's like a nice little hug. So yeah, and I just have like a black bralette on under this, so also testing, you know, how like see-through it is, which I don't mind. You can kind of see it through, but again, I don't really mind. I love it. Pump up the love. Placement is nice. Leather is nice. And it's got a little extra space to it, so it's not like, you know, or anything. So it's gonna be nice and like breezy and cool and breathable, even in this nice hot summer weather. And I just love this color too. It's so bright, as bright and fun as the message. Okay, I'll try on the next one now. Ready for this? Sounds gay. I'm in. I frickin' love this. I love this. I love this. Oh, did I say I love this? I'm in. I'm all in for this shirt. I really like this fit. Nice and comfy and casual. Again, it's that same like super soft material. And okay, so I was a little afraid that this was gonna be kind of see-through, but I have just like black bralette on, and honestly, not too bad. Really not bad. I'm very impressed. Because it could be really hard to find like a good just plain white t-shirt that isn't like a wet t-shirt contest waiting to happen. But this is like great quality, and again, booty. Even the booty is gay. I'm in. I mean, just imagine the potential, like, gay. Love it. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to check out more shirts, merchandise, they got pins too. Go to thatsoundsgay.com, THT, no A, thatsoundsgay.com. And two, before we go, I would just like to add a kind of personal note to this. I am so excited to start this partnership with Sounds Gay clothing company. I was messaging with the founder Monica on Instagram, and I honestly could not be more excited to partner with this company. I was part of our high school's GSA in high school, and I was only really able to come out to myself for the first time on the trevorproject.com, you know? So the fact that they do a lot of charity and donation work, like, that speaks to me personally, because they were kind of instrumental in just me accepting myself as who I am as a bisexual woman. So yeah, I'm super thrilled about this, and if you want any gay shirts, please check out their website. You won't be disappointed. So yeah, love y'all, see you soon, bye.